As you walk inside, you can see the spacious living area. There is sofa on my modular kitchen, and you can see there is a utility space here. So this is the spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at the project Whitefield by Shriram, which is located in Budigare Cross. For a sample flat tour, before we get to know a lot about the project, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform where you go for an inquiry or your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builder. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builder through Housey. Let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 11.8 acres with 9 towers, and the available stories are 1 basement, 1 ground and 14 floors. Let's talk about the variants. The available variants are 2 BHK, and now let's talk about the connectivity. Decathlon is just 3.7 kilometers away from this project. Orion Uptown Mall is just 4 kilometers away, and Late Uskote Road is just 4.7 kilometers away from this project. Now let's talk about the amenities. This project has amazing amenities such as 40 plus amenities like clubhouse, gymnasium, swimming pool, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga lawn, party hall and many more. Right now we are in front of 2 BHK sample flat called Whitefield by Shriram. Let's get inside. As you walk inside, you can see the spacious living area. There is sofa on my right side, and right opposite to the sofa you can see the television unit and also storage spaces. And now it's time to check the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen in this 2 BHK flat, which is super spacious, and it's a modular kitchen. And you can see there is a utility space here and a window for ventilation, and also this corner can be used as the utility space. Now it's time to check the balcony of this 2 BHK flat. So this balcony comes with a French sliding door, and this is the spacious balcony with wooden finish, and the scene is really amazing. So right now it's raining and it looks fantastic from this place. So yes, this is the balcony in this 2 BHK flat, and now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 2 BHK flat. So this is the common bathroom which comes with the anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment, and there is a window for ventilation. Yes, the interiors are really amazing with light colors. And now it's time to check the first bedroom in this flat. So this is the first bedroom, which is super spacious. There is bed on the left and wardrobe on the right side. So it comes with a white finish. It looks really fantastic. And there is a window for ventilation, a big window. And yes, you can expect broad sunlight every time in the day. And now it's time to check the master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we give you a sample flat tour, we give you actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom. Let's get inside. So this is the spacious master bedroom, which has enough space on both the side of the bed, and there is a huge window for ventilation, and here also there's a window for ventilation. And now it's time to check the bathroom. This is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments and window for ventilation. So yes, it's a super big window, and there is a storage unit as well. So yes, this was all about the 2 BHK sample flat tour called Whitefield by the builder Shriram. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the project, do mention it in the comment section below. If you have any feedback about this project, yes, we welcome all such comments. And do not forget to like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about such wonderful videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Whitefield located in Budigare Cross by Shriram Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.